Hello everyone, welcome to Das Haus with Thomas Gunn, and because I'm making schnitzel and spätzle today, I will need a side dish. Not really a dish, a salad. So we're just going to make a quick cucumber salad. I'm going to make it an oil vinegar dressing today. Typically I prefer the sour cream vinegar dressing, but as luck would have it, I thought I had sour cream and I don't. So we're going to do the other version. So here I've got one English cucumber that I peeled, but not totally peeled. You know what I mean? Like if you have a cucumber and you peel it, and then you leave a little strip and you peel it again, just so that you have some variation in the color and you get some of the peel. And then I sprinkled it with salt and I left it in this colander or sieve, just to drain off some of the liquid so that your dressing doesn't get too watery. Okay, so that's one cucumber. This should be enough for 4 people. So to this now we're going to add some oil and vinegar. As far as oil is concerned, I would not use olive oil. I'm going to be using a vegetable oil or canola oil. So I want to measure this for you, because this is usually something I do by eye and taste, but in order to give you a recipe I need to measure it. So let's see if this is enough. I would add a little more. So that was 1/8 and 1/2 of an 1/8. I will mark this down below, so if you can't remember right now, don't worry about it. Look in the description box. And as for the vinegar, hold on, let me get my vinegar. You can use regular white vinegar, but there's this awesome product which is called seasoned vinegar, and it's by this company, Kuhne. You guys know, if you watch my videos, I love the brand Kuhne. It's called Salata, and it's a great seasoned vinegar. My mother used this all the time. If you can find this, I actually find it in my grocery store, so you know, have a look around. So let's add, that was 1/8 of a cup, and we'll see how that works out. So you're going to need sugar. It really is an integral part of this salad. So let's start with a tablespoon. You will also need fresh dill. Sorry, I'm just flipping my schnitzel. So you need fresh dill. I have frozen that, you know, I buy a big bunch, and obviously it's too much. I chop it very fine. I put it in a freezer bag and I put it in my freezer, and it's just like fresh, really. So you need quite a bit of dill. It's an integral part. So this is, you know, a heaping tablespoon, and I would use 2 of those. Okay, so now we need salt and pepper. Pepper, I'm not going to measure out for you. Just do a light sprinkling over the entire surface, and then afterwards you can taste it. And if it's, you know, peppery enough, well, then you've got it right. Sorry about this, guys. Just don't want to burn my schnitzel. Okay, so let me get another measuring spoon. And the cucumbers can take quite a bit of salt. Just keep in mind, I've already sprinkled them with a bit of salt to leach the liquid out. Like, that's a lot. So let me try it first with 1/2 teaspoon. And now we're going to toss. So let's toss this up. So really, if you want to make this salad, but the sour cream version, just instead of oil, use sour cream. You might use, you know, a little bit more than you would oil. And like I said, I prefer that version. I mean, that's more how we grew up eating it, but I also grew up eating this version. And this is better, obviously, if it sits a while. It's better if it's a little cooler, so I would put it in the fridge. So now we're going to taste, and we're going to see how we are on the seasoning. Yes, I will use this spoon to taste, but it's a clean spoon. I haven't used it for anything else. I think we're pretty good there. Let me just have another taste. Taking a clean fork. Yeah, I think we're spot on. So there you go. That's a typical, oh my goodness, everything looks a mess. There, that looks better. That's a typical cucumber salad. Obviously, you can adjust the seasoning as to your taste in regards to the salt and pepper. I mean, you can even adjust the sugar to your taste. But that's a pretty simple salad. It's a refreshing salad. It's a light salad. It's a great accompaniment to a lot of dishes. And like I said, you can make the oil version or the sour cream version. If in the future I do it with sour cream, and I think to tape it, I'll do that for you guys. But there you go. Cucumber salad 101. Guten Appetit.